guys, my name is Alex, and I just wanted to show you guys a new product that I just recently purchased. I bought this one off of the bestoral-b-toothbrush.com, and this is what it is. It is the Oral-B Pro 5000 electric toothbrush, and this is actually my first time opening it, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what all this comes with. So we're opening it right now, and it says that it is Bluetooth smart, so I'm curious as to how that works. So it's got like a styrofoam little basket that keeps everything in the box pretty much. Okay, so it's got, I believe this is a little stand from what it looks like in the picture. It's got the top of the toothbrush. It's got a little flyer in there. It's got the instructions as well. Here's the actual toothbrush right here. Here's the on button. Here it says the Bluetooth capability. And then the top of the toothbrush is right here, so you just have to open that and put that on as well. And I believe this right here is a protective carrying case that the toothbrush goes into. And let me see what this is. So this looks like where you would charge it, I'm assuming. Here. And then here is a little case for right here. It covers up right here, I guess. Just like that. And then your toothbrush sits, your toothbrush sits on top of this, just like so, with the toothbrush on it. So like I said, this is the first time unboxing it, so I want to actually put it all together and use it. So I'm going to get this all set up, and then I will be right back to show you guys pretty much me just brushing my teeth with my new toothbrush. Alright guys, so I got my toothbrush all charged now, and what's cool about this is it's actually got an app that you can download to hook up your phone to Bluetooth. So I'm just going to show you the app right here. And this is the front page. You can set the timer for however long you want to brush your teeth for. For the case of this video, I'm only going to set it for a minute, so I'll show you whenever you turn your toothbrush on. The app starts counting down, which is pretty neat. So this toothbrush, in the directions when I was reading them, it has 5 brushing modes. There is a daily clean mode, which is standard mode for daily mouth cleaning. There is a deep clean, which is the mouth cleaning with extended brushing time of 45 seconds per quadrant, 3-minute total brushing time. There is a sensitive setting, gentle yet thorough cleaning for sensitive areas. There's the whitening, polishing for occasional or everyday use. And then there is a massage, so there's a gentle massage of your gums. When you download this Oral-B app, it actually shows you like super well how to actually use or set this up, so it was super easy. So I am just going to show you guys me brushing my teeth pretty much, and I will tell you if I like or don't like this toothbrush. So I'm just going to go ahead with the water. And then I'm going to add my toothpaste. And then since there is 5 modes, I'm just going to see which one I like the most, and then I will show you this timer countdown as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn the toothbrush on. Alright guys, so I just finished using the Oral-B 5000 Pro toothbrush, and I could definitely tell that my teeth feel a lot cleaner than when I just regularly brush them with just a regular toothbrush. The difference that I like with this toothbrush, rather than the other just normal toothbrush, is that this one, I feel like it takes less effort for me to actually brush my teeth, because when I'm brushing my teeth with my toothbrush, I'm sitting there scrubbing my teeth and my arm gets tired, so I don't end up brushing my teeth as long as I should. So I definitely think this toothbrush would make me brush my teeth a lot longer, and I feel like my teeth are definitely cleaner than before. I like the different settings. I set mine for the deep clean because I kind of like the way it felt, but I did try all 5 of the settings and I did like them. They all felt different. You could definitely tell that you had a different setting on. So far I really like this toothbrush. So I'm going to continue using this for about probably a week, maybe 2 weeks, to see how much I really like it after a couple weeks go by. And I will make another video soon and I'll let you guys know. So thanks for watching.